Hello, dear friends. Nothing says DC like the roar of food truck generators. What are you going to do? I'm right here on the beautiful National Mall. Home sweet home. This week, I wanted to do the I'm Thankful edition. So, it's been a rough year. 2020 has kind of sucked for a lot of people. A lot of people have had it way worse than I have, no doubt about that. But there's a lot to be thankful for. So, here we go. I am thankful for motorcycles. Motorcycles are freaking awesome. They're a lot of fun. They can be kind of loud. They're a little dangerous, but I'm thankful for all of them. Including that one piece of crap motorcycle that's just costing me more and more money to become a bigger and bigger pile of pieces on the garage floor. I'm thankful for that one too. I am legitimately super thankful for food trucks. DC's food trucks are as close as we're ever going to get to the street food that I have come to love and appreciate with the opportunities I've had to travel. They've had a really tough year with the pandemic and all of that, like everybody else, but you can get a great taste of DC's cuisine from these trucks right here on the street. Thanks everybody that works in them. You make our town better. I'm only doing this one because I would never, ever get to park here on a normal given day. But this is the Smithsonian Natural History Museum. Over there through the trees is the headquarters of the Smithsonian. Beautiful, beautiful museums all over the place. I'm just giddy because I can never ever park here. I'm thankful for the Smithsonian Institution, the entire institution. Can't speak about how it's founded, how it got its money, but it does world-class research and preservation that we so desperately need. And here in DC, this is free to the public. When we don't have, some kind of global pandemic, I can just walk right up into that museum and spend all day learning for free. That's the way it should be. Thankful for everything you all do at Smithsonian. Keep up the good work. I love you and I miss you. I'm thankful for DC's vast and thriving performing arts community. Every venue that I've ever worked at, even the ones that have treated me like shit, been dangerous to myself and the customers, abusive work practices, all of them. I'm still thankful for each and every one of you. Please get your shit together. But venues like Source that house multiple theater companies, the Fringe Festival, things like that, I'm so grateful for all of you. You've helped make me the person I am today, and you have contributed and continue to contribute a very important part of DC culture and civilization. I'm really thankful for the Art Mind Studio, to have a place where I can get messy, I can air my brain out, I can be creative, a place where I feel safe to get crazy emotional, to troubleshoot problems, to really be myself, beyond just being out on a motorcycle, but a place to create. I've been so desperate for that for such a long time that to finally have the Art Minds, it's all I ever really wanted. So, super thankful for the Art Minds. As difficult, stressful, and occasionally dangerous as my day job is, I am thankful for something that allows me a lot more financial stability and some security, even though it's really seasonally variable. In the spring and fall, we sometimes get really slow, but in the summer and winter, we're really busy. But it allows me to feed myself, feed my family, and gave me a skill set that I can occasionally do some charity work around the neighborhood to help people, get their heating and air conditioning back and running again. If they don't have any money, I can do what I can to help them out. And I'm pretty thankful for that. A career change. As much as I hated to leave the arts, I was burned out, working really hard, making other people look good, and starving to death doing it. So as much as I hated to leave the arts, a career change into the trades was actually one of the best and smartest things I've ever done. And if you're ever looking for a career change, the trades are always hiring. And I'm thankful for that. And last, certainly not least, what I am thankful for this year is you. Yeah, you. Even if we've never met, even if this is the first time, eggplant, even if this is the first time you're hearing my voice, seeing my channel, if so, welcome. But even if we've never met, even if you've never spoken to me before, I'm thankful for you. I'm thankful for the light that you bring into the world from your unique perspective. I'm thankful for the way you do things. I'm thankful for you. And I hope someday we can all get together. If I've never cooked for you, you're missing out. But I hope someday we can all get together and you can join me for dinner. So I would be thankful for your company in person. But I am most certainly thankful for you, exactly as you are. And those who know me in person know that when I say I am thankful for you, even if we have never met, they know I mean it. I don't cook for just anybody, but I would love to cook for you. So, I'm making a mess. Thank you for hanging out, and I hope that the rest of this year is uneventful. I hope you are safe, you are loved, and you are well fed wherever you are. You'd be really well fed if you were here. Think about that. I hope that your family is healthy, and I hope you know that I am thankful for you. And I hope that someday we can meet in person, you can sit down to something I made, and you can tell me the stories of your life, your adventures. And yeah, until then, good luck.